Webflow Animation. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, go to the Webflow website. On the home page, in the top right corner, you can choose Login or Get Started. You can sign up with Google, enter your email address, or choose Login if you already have an account. Once you're logged in, from your dashboard, select the project where you want to add animations. Inside the designer, choose the element you want to animate. On the right-hand panel, click the Interactions tab. Press the plus icon to create a new animation. Choose on scroll, on click, or another trigger based on the effect you want. Then click Timed Actions and set the starting point for your animation. Use properties like Move, Opacity, Scale, or Rotate to create motion. Adjust duration and easing for smoother results. To add multiple steps, press Add Action and arrange each step in sequence. Preview your animation using the Preview button at the top. When satisfied, click the Publish button in the top right and view your site live to confirm everything works perfectly.